papunta tayo ngayon ng Clark. Kita nyo naman, uulan. Pero chill lang. Walang ulan-ulan today dahil awardings night ng CF Moto MT Challenge, no? Papunta tayo ngayon sa awards night. At mamimit din natin doon ng mga tropa ng 450 MT Bros galing pa Manila. Sir, good afternoon. Nandito na ang tropa.
Tara, punta tayo sa penthouse ko.
Medyo maaga tayo. Yan, nandun yung bilang mga SR squad. 250cc. Ganda. Okay. Ready na rin. Engine 240. Hindi malit na pang trail talaga. Ay, malambot na talaga. Maganda rin ito pangalan. Off-roading and long rides. Ang ganda ng tulong. Galit na tayo. Side panel bracket. Ganda, ganda ng black. Ang cute ng maliliit eh. Ito, pasok na tayo. Okay, ito table natin. Shoutout kay Idol Jean, Trip ni Negro. Shoutout sa iyo sa guest list. Laki ng TV eh.
Oh, Jean, I love you!
Chairman! Yay! Kuha tayo soup. Wow. Let's go! Sir Mau, oh. Kain tayo.
Video yung editing.
LABL jersey made. Compress tayo on this so you can actually we can take a good photo.
Ito yung mga participants.
Mr. T Challenge in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, your participants for the first ever CF Moto MT Challenge Philippine leg. Let's give a big round of applause. Make some noise, get on your feet. Let's call the champions of the first MT Challenge Philippine qualifiers. Team Wheeltech, Ivan Bruno, John Mascarenas.
Congrats, guys, pang malakasan.
Team Philippines, guys.
Team Philippines.
They will be representing us. Team Wheeltech.
Better and well prepared for the next MT Challenge.
207. Winner number 7, 210. 210.
Baka naman.
Time is 166.
Uy!
166.
Uy, muntik na.
022. 0 ticket 900. 900. 213. 034. 033. 028. 014. Ticket 800. 161.
Oy!
161. Congratulations. 169.
Oy!
160. 160.
Uy, 160. Ano ba naman yung mga 16 na yan? May pag-asa pa ang ating 164.
027.
163 daw.
261. 261.
Oh, nanalo yung tropa namin. Ang pula.
Gladiator bat from Sunday Steve.
Ito yung nakuha ni pare. Tropa natin.
1.
Uy!
6.
Uy!
8.
Putang! Putang ina talaga naman. Halos sila ata ito eh.
Alright, thank you very much. And syempre,
Navigator natin na napakagaling. Bawat galaw eh, tapos kung saan ka mag...
Sir RB. Oh, yan, shout out.
Hindi po ito mangyayari lahat kung hindi po dahil sa kanila. And of course, my team Q815, Maki and Sylvester all the way from Cebu. And of course, sa mga kapwa ko pong riders, participants kanina.
on and off-road bike. Kamusta?
Nerve-wracking and also, you know, exciting.
Hey! Congrats, Sir JP! Happy birthday to you! Congratulations! You know, SD guys, SD.
Thank you, our Philippine qualifiers.
Grabe, hirap yan. Natin yung recap ng day 2. Highlights.
Like this. Medyo damp yung mga...
Kasama sa challenge yun.
How difficult is it?
So yung husk kailangan tuyo eh. So pag kinain.
Grabe,
So
checkpoint
riders
yan.
are coming in for the checkpoint.
Yeah, this is Team W. Twern.
And then they're trying to make a fire. So yan na, ginamit ng sangkalan. Yung upo ng CF Moto 450. Oh.
Ginamit yung upuan. No?
Yun. Nakausok oh! Nakausok! Hindi na maaari, mabala oh. Ito yung mga rare.
Naparod ng
Yeah, so they're trying to...
Yan mo yung ulam.
Alright, checkpoint 3.
Grabe,
We reached the Gino.
Okay, checkpoint 3 na
Checkpoint
daw.
3, this is where they are going to be cooking
Magsasaing.
rice.
Wow.
So ito wala silang kaldero. Bamboo.
Yeah, that's... Big river crossing on Coach Mel.
Yeah.
Saya.
So nakita natin, no?
Sarap.
Nilang kalahating kakag na.
Ayan, mga naka-dual sport.
Opting to go
So,
with the stock tires of the...
yan, stock tires. Hirap na hirap.
150 MT.
China, iniwan na lang no, nakatumba.
Decided to leave the bike na ron. Kasi medyo paakyat pa eh. Ito na si Ian at saka si ano. Si
Ayan na.
Dex. Ayan mo.
Yung tumbahan eh. Oh.
Oh, natulog mo lang.
Post mo na, post.
Photo.
Dapat naman ganyan, di ba? If you fall down...
Dulas
So this is
talaga.
how you drift. Oh, nice drop.
Oh!
You have to red switch. You have
Oh
to turn
my
off the
gosh.
engine as early as possible. That will suck water inside your car for
Grabe,
your
river crossing.
your airbox.
Mandar pa kaya?
Now we saw this actually in day number 1 as well.
Mandar!
Dun sa water challenge natin.
Mandar, no?
It looks
Galing!
like he's all good.
Ayan na. Nag-hydro
So
lap.
once they check it out at nailabas na natin tubig, I think they already removed the airbox. And there you go, we have an engine running.
Tibay talaga ng CF Moto.
Exactly.
This is the last challenge that they have to do is move that bike up the ramp
Wow.
into the...
Yeah.
And Team Wheeltech, who was the leaders in day number 1, end up being the first to arrive in day number 2.
Yun ang last
And
challenge.
soon after them, Team WWR, TNREAP followed suit. And then of course, Team EF and Dula Factory made it to the 3 p.m. cutoff in day number 2.
Congratulations! Ganda, ganda, no? Sasali ba tayo next year? See you next year, no? Congratulations po sa mga nag-organize. Congratulations po sa...
Thank you.
Ang
Sana,
galing.
sana panoorin nila yung mga content natin online, yung live stream natin.
Share.
Oo, share it and then we're gonna do the live stream for day 2 as well. So,
Wow.
Yun. Sana maraming sumali next year pa, di ba?
Thank you so much sa effort. Ang ganda.
Thank you guys.
At dyan ang tatapos ang ating part 2 video ng CF Moto MT Challenge 2025. pauwi na mga tropa ng Manila. Tayo malapit lang, Pampanga lang tayo. Pero ride safe mga tropa. Muulan na naman dito sa Clark. Pero ganun talaga. The show must go on. Ika nga. So, thank you sa mga nanood. Till next time guys. See ya!